Okay, the truck is running rough, so we're going to get the codes on this. And it's showing 14 codes. Codes. It's running rough. It's barely wanting to idle. You see the RPMs. Barely at 600. And then I loosen this, which was on here. This comes off. As you can see, the dark gunk under there is not allowing for the throttle plate to close fully. That's why the idle's running rough. As you can see now, I cleaned out that dark black ridge. Now there's a fine line there, and it's all cleaned up. Let's see if it works. Okay, I had to take off the throttle body out of the car simply because right here, this TPS throttle position sensor, it's hard to get to the bolts here against the firewall. So I took it out. Cleaned up the body here, both sides with throttle body cleaner, and we're going to put it back in the truck. So 4 bolts, easy to take out. Put it back in the truck and see if it works.
They get something for me in the toolbox. I'm going to go over there.
Okay, it's back in.
And come back.
4 bolts to take here, here, down here, and down here. And then this goes on like so. Out of the way. Can you hold the camera on that?
Okay.
Hold it just like that.
I'm recording.
You're recording? You?
Yes. Recording. Okay, what's your video gonna do today? Awesome. Awesome. Yeah. Okay, so here we have Daddy, and he was fixing the truck because the truck broke last time. Last time we were going to school, it kept shaking, and he stopped at the one way that in the front of the house it stopped, and there's 2 cars he has to fix, Camry and the truck, and he fixed the truck right now, and I think he's gonna fix the Camry another day. Okay, so here he is. He is fixing the car. Okay. Okay, almost done. You see this ball right down here, guys? This ball is how much the video is going to be taping. Okay, okay, audience. Okay, okay. Daddy's. Do you know that this is really cool tape right now, and Daddy's gonna be awesome.
Oh, you gotta put a plus.
What?
Plus, you see it? Here
Oh,
it is.
oh, here's 6.
The for the throttle body
Okay.
motor.
Oh man, carbine motor. You know that, you guys? It's almost gonna be raining again. Cause you're in the rain today. Yeah, rain. Cold, cold rain. Hey, we're almost done with this video. Actually, we're not almost done. We got a few more ways. To the forest, to get in the forest, to done fixing this car. So there's the wait, was that a call? Okay. There's a car that just went by today.
Okay, stop. Oh, you really went off course there. That's what it's doing right now. It's a rough idle. This is before the TPS is being changed.